Hello, I haven't shared anything with my Through the Seasons in a while, and so I wanted to share my spring kit, even though it's a little bit late. This should have been up at the beginning of April, and this beginning of May, but I was still working on my winter kit. So first I have been playing with this collection called Bunny Season from Keep It Simple Papercrafts, and it is so bright and cheery. I picked this up at the expo in Irving, Texas in March, and I actually made a layout with it, but I don't have it in my possession anymore. I mailed it off to Keep It Simple to display, but I love diagonal stripes. So this is actually the inside of a frame that I used on my layout, and I'll include that layout when I do my layout share. I'll include a photo of it. So this is the back side. These cute little bunnies. And then this yellow grid. And the back side is this fun pattern. And then a plaid. And this is really pretty. I love that like magenta color. And then this soft watercolor paper. On the back side are these little bitty hearts, and then a stripe, and on the back side is this really fun pattern with bunnies, and then it has this green with, you can say roses, or it could be like lettuce leaves. I'm not sure. And then here's a fun grid. And on the back side, are those lettuce, lettuce, cabbages, whatever they are. Okay. And then I also got the 6x9 cardstock, and you can see all the colors here. They're like tone on tone, which is super nice. I didn't get the 12x12. And then I do also have the 6x9 in the collection pack. And then I also have this sticker sheet. Aren't they adorable? Look at all these stickers. I've only used this one. There's no bunny like you. I used it on that layout. And then here's all the outline dies. And then here are a bunch of die cut pieces. They are so cute. I used several in my layout, but there's so many left, as you can see. And then this makes a truck. How cute is that? And then here are the enamel dots. So I think there might be a second stamp set that coordinates with this, but I only picked this one up. Maybe it's more card sentiments, if I'm thinking right. So I've had a lot of fun playing with this, I want to continue playing with it. But now I've got to work with another Easter collection. This is called Honey Bunny from Close to My Heart, and it is a workshop kit. So it makes 3 2-page layouts, and I think we're going to follow it pretty closely. These two are like Easter, and then this they've made into a beach layout, and I'm not sure how I'll end up using it. Here's the sticker sheet, and then because I got the workshop, these are punch outs, so I don't have to make my own circle. This is an extra piece of pattern paper. It's like a watercolor. And then we've got bunnies. And let's see, on the back side is this floral. So the colors are acorn, black, flamingo, glacier, honey butter. This is honey butter. Limeade, peach, sage, seabrook. So this is peach. That's a beautiful pattern. And I love the zip strip. Let's Then there's these cute butterflies, and they did have a butterfly like die that matched this, but I didn't get it. It's long gone. This is really cool watercolor plaid. And then here is another one of those watercolor extra pattern sheets, and this one's extra. What I mean by extra is it's extra to the workshop. You can only get it in the workshop. And then I've got some sage cardstock, some peach cardstock, some glacier, honey butter, and I think one white. It's kind of weird, just one white. Okay, and then it comes with some enamel dots too. Let's see. There are these. So I like both of these collections, but I am not really a pastel girl. So the bunny season from Keep It Simple actually appeals to me more than this one from Close to My Heart. Let me put them side by side. It's just a little bit more my taste. So, but I'm excited to work with them both, and so I appreciate you stopping by. That's really probably all I'm going to put in my kit. I'm going to keep it simple. I think what happened with my winter kit is I just gathered all my winter stuff and put it in one big kit, and that overwhelmed me. And so I ended up not doing as much as I wanted. So hopefully this will keep me more focused, and I will come back. Let's see. So this is for April, May, June. No. April, May, June. Yes, at the end of June or beginning of July, with the layouts I've made from this, and the and then I'll start with my summer kit. So, and look for my winter through the seasons layout share. I'll be posting that. Okay, I found some more things to add to my spring kit, so let me show you. I have this stamp set. It's from Keep It Simple from the Hello Adventure collection, and I just think it's really cool wood grain. And then I have this stamp set from Close to My Heart that's really old, never been used, because I could tell none of the stamps are stained. And I thought, why not include it with my Easter stuff? And then I have these two 6x6 background stamps, weathered wood and weathered brick from Keep It Simple. I think those are really cool. And then I decided to go ahead and pull in my Simply Spring, since it is my spring kit. I just didn't immediately think of it because I've already played with it. But what I would like to do is, I love the color palette. It's very on trend. This color of peachy, I don't know, apricot is very on trend. But what I would like to do is to use this stamp set that comes with it. And as you can tell, the stamps match the patterns in the paper, but I would like to maybe use some different color flowers to document some of my spring flowers. There's also a whole bunch of die cuts left, and the outline dies. There's also the papers. So our Stamp It Like It's Hot YouTube hop will be up on Saturday, June 1st, and I think I will be using this stamp set. This month we will be using floral stamps. So how perfect is that? The only thing that I don't have to include in this video, because it hasn't quite come in the mail, is a little bit more from Keep It Simple. I have an egg shaped die and some egg stamps. And so I will add that in when I get it next week, and you'll see it on the layout share. So thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.